Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you this new home card. It is my turn this week on Stand Before All to set the design team challenge, and it was new things, new job, new home, new baby. And so I came up with this card, and I wonder if any of you can work out where I got the home from. Well, stay tuned and all will be revealed. So, thinking outside the box with happy tales. So, I thought, when I stamped this, I thought, oh, actually, that looks a little bit like a house. I could make a new home card. And I've got a new home project that I've got to do. So, why not do that? So, that's what I did. So, I've got crumb cake card base, got a bit of soft suede and a bit of whisper white, and then there's some whisper white on the inside. I've got my stamps mounted, and I'm taking the sentiment from one of the new sets that come out in the new catalogue, and this is one that we got free at On Stage, and this was my Prize Patrol one. So I'm using the congratulations, and on your new home, it's got to the happy couple, it's got welcome baby, it's got just a little something for you, wishing you a delightful birthday, treats made with love, which I quite like that. That's going to go on customer thank yous, a to and a from, and then some nice little images there that could be used. So quite versatile. I was quite happy with that one. And then soft suede and crumb cake ink, which of course I haven't got. What a wally! There we go. I thought I was being so good. There we go. So I'm going to use soft suede and crumb cake here. So two-step stamping on the house. So I was quite pleased with myself to come up with this idea, because yeah, I won the set, you might remember from a previous video, and I was like, I don't know what to do with it, but needs must. I was the same with the rhinoceroses and things and kangaroos and whatever, and I did eventually use them. So sticking that down there, and then going to use crumb cake to fill it in. Might have gone a little bit high there, I'll decide. Two sides to your cardstock, so I might change it, and then can see right through to colour in the rest of the ass. There we go. And then I'm going to do the sentiment in soft suede. So I wanted on your new home below and congratulations at the top, which is why I'm thinking I wanted it a bit lower. Well, carry on. We'll carry on and see what it looks like. There we go. Put that down below, because it's just a nice size for that sentiment. That's what I really liked about it. Now, it still looks a little bit, oh, stuck my fingers in that. I've been doing quite a lot of work today, so my fingers are all a bit inky and gluey. I thought, oh, what it needs is some windows. So, Dog Punch got a little hearts, and people might be loving their new home. So, got scrap. Now, some people might have thrown that away, not me. So I'm going to feed in a bit of this and get some hearts out. There we go. 2 hearts for windows. Because I know when I moved into this house, I loved it. I still do. My favourite house. It's been our home for a long time now. There. I still love it. So I thought that was cute. So blob of glue. Oh, blob of glue. I've left that open for too long. So the end's gone a wee tad dry. Thinking now, because I've made that high, I might tie something around here. Trying to think, whilst I'm doing this, I'm kind of multitasking in my head. Linen thread. That would do it, wouldn't it? If I can remember where my linen thread is. That's cool. Linen thread. Well, I'm sure linen thread would look lovely, but I don't appear to have any, or it's eluding me. I've looked everywhere. I might have run out. So I've got this classic weave crumb cake, which I'll put on. But first of all, I think I'm going to use my stitch framelits to cut that out to make it look a little bit extra special. So I'm going to use the two largest, and I'm going to cut this out in this one, and then I might cut a frame in this one, using the two of them like that and nest it together. So I'll go and cut those out and come back to you. So that's them cut out and ready to stick on, and now decide whether or not actually I do want any ribbon, because that's a frame and it would have to go around the whole frame, I think. I might leave it off, all that looking, and I didn't actually need it because I'm not going to bother. I think the frame gives it enough. So I'm going to stick this on first. I like to do the frame on after, so that it doesn't sort of bend and warp whilst you're sticking it on. There we go. So yes, it's my turn to set the DT challenge, and it is new home, new job. I've done new baby. So yeah, new things. That's the challenge. And yeah, it's nice to have challenges. I was stuck for something to do at the weekend, and I just looked at some blog challenges and thought, oh yeah, I can do them. So that's how I did the new baby, and I like it when it sort of is a buy one get one free, and it does other things because it fits with this challenge as well. And actually, because I did a blue one, I thought, oh well, that could be a mail card, which was Jill's challenge last week. So yeah, like it when that sort of thing happens. And I like it doing this frame because, as I often gut my mats anyway, this way you get to gut it, but you also, it's decorative. And then I will stick this on the inside so that it's something to write on. I think it looks nicer than just the coloured cardstock. Adds a little bit of weight to the card, makes it just a little bit special. You can also stamp on this, but which I often do, so I'm not going to with this one. So there we have it, my new home start card, using Happy Tales and thinking outside the box. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Hope you pop over to the Facebook group Stampy for All and join in with the Design Team Challenge. It's lovely when people join in. And give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't. And pop over to my blog where there's a link to my shop, or there's links down below if you want to purchase anything. And if you want a new catalogue, then I'm happy to add you to my list if you haven't already got a demonstrator. Okay, see you again soon.